in this video I'm going to show you how you could download qBittorrent, and qBittorrent is basically like a very fast version of uTorrent. Just search up qBittorrent like this, and this is the official website. Click on the official website. Boom. Once you're here, press download, and then make sure if you're on Mac OS, press this. If you're on Windows, press this, and if you're on Linux, press this. So I'm on Windows, I'm gonna press this. Okay, so once I'm here, you might be confused with all these versions, but you want to click the top one, qBittorrent 5.1.2. Click on that. And then here you also might be confused, but press this one, this first one, x64 setup.exe. You're gonna want to press that, and once it's downloaded, you're gonna see a setup screen. So just like this, and just go through the setup screen, and I'll just go through it. You're gonna wait for it to download. Okay, and then you want to just skip through all this. I'll press next, configure this if you want, but I don't really think you need to. Keep pressing next, and then now it's installing. Just wait. And then boom, it's done, and now you could just launch it. And then yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in the video. Bye.